Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, our group will present about Pongo Abeli and also known as Sumatra Orang Utan. This is our group member. First, I will tell about the taxonomy of the Pongo Abeli. There are 7 taxa from the arrangement. The first and the highest position is the kingdom. Pongo Abeli kingdom is Animalia. Then follow the Pongo Abeli phylum is Chordata. Third, the class is Mammalia. Fourth, the order is Primate. Fifth, the family is Hominidia. Next, the genus is Pongo. And the last level is species, which is Pongo abeli.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Christina and I will be explaining about habitats of orangutan. So orangutan can be found in tropical rainforests, especially in Sumatra and in Borneo. It can be found around Malaysia and also Indonesia. So there's 2 regions such as Borneo and Sumatra. So each region has its own orangutan species. In Borneo, there's Central Bornean orangutan, Northeast Bornean orangutan, and also Northwest Bornean orangutan. However, in Sumatra, there's only one type of orangutan, which is Sumatran orangutans. So fun fact about orangutan, since orangutan origins are Borneo and Sumatra, the natives call it orangutan, which means man of the forest in the Malay language. Orangutans also share 96.4% of our gene and they are highly intelligent creatures.
The next part is characteristic. Pongo abeli have long reddish hair. It starts out bright orange and darkens to maroon or chocolate, while the skin gray black. It changes depends on their age. Then it has 4 long fingers but a shorter apical thumb for a strong grip of branches, as they can travel high in the trees. Thirdly, Pongo abeli spending most of their time in trees, so unique characteristic of Pongo is grasping hands and feet. They have longer arms, stronger arms, and powerful arms than their legs. It can reach till 2 meters in length. This morphology allows them to move through branches. Furthermore, it's long enough to touch their ankle when they stand. The unique characteristic of Pongo abeli species prepare for the winter environment with large bed feet for easy travel and a white coat for camouflage. The Sumatra orangutan, also known as Pongo abeli, is more frugivorous and insectivorous and eats less in the barks of trees. So that's all for the part in characteristic. Next part is life cycle. So thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mushahada binti Fazli. My student ID is 2021832146. So, I will proceed to the life cycle of Pongo abeli. The life cycle of Pongo abeli can last up to 50 years in the wild. Females begin reproducing between the age of 10 and 15 years. They are pregnant for about 8.5 months and normally have a single child or twins. And then, they will then mature into growth juveniles between the age of 2.5 and 5 years. During this stage, they will remain with their mother for approximately 7 to 8 years. A baby rides on its mother's back and sleeps in her nest until it is old enough to survive on its own. Adolescence is the next stage. It is between the age of 5 to 8 years. During this stage, the Pongo abeli will spend more their time by learning to be independent and will spend more time with other Pongo abeli, which is orangutans. They will thereafter reach adulthood. Male adults Pongo abeli will spend the majority of their time in the jungle alone, while female Pongo abeli will live with their babies for approximately 8 years. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aisyah Delila binti Harun. My ID student is K0212111602. And now I present to you about the importance of Pongo abeli to ecosystem and economy. Pongo abeli are a keystone species in Sumatra's lowland rainforest. Pongo abeli, as omnivorous food eaters, play a vital role in seed dispersal and the diversity of rainforest woody plants. They also prune and help to regenerate plant development because they only consume green leaves and flowers. Pongo abeli play a vital role in seed dissemination. Pongo abeli are an umbrella species due of their protected status. If Pongo abeli are protected as an umbrella species, the rainforest they inhabit and all of its accompanying wildlife are as well. There is still an ongoing illegal trade in Pongo abeli as well.